10 surprising health benefits of Guyabano leaves you need to know. Ethel O'Leary. Join me, guys, up until the end. And let's all find out what are these. Let's go. Did you know the leaves of the Guyabano tree hold healing powers that can transform your health from fighting infections to supporting cancer recovery? These leaves are more than just green, they're gold for your body. Stay tuned as we explore the 10 amazing health benefits of Guyabano leaves.
Here are 10 amazing health benefits of Guyabano leaves.
The top one health benefit that we can get out of Guyabano leaves: fights cancer cells. Guyabano leaves contain acetogenins, powerful compound shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in lab studies, especially for breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Many use Guyabano tea as a natural adjunct therapy. The second health benefit that we can get out of Guyabano leaves: strengthens the immune system. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, Guyabano leaves help boost your immune defenses and protect your body from infections, colds, and viruses. The third benefit of Guyabano leaves: reduces inflammation and pain. The leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that may help relieve swelling and joint pain, especially for those suffering from arthritis or gout. The fourth health benefit of Guyabano leaves: helps regulate blood sugar levels. Drinking Guyabano leaf tea may help stabilize blood sugar, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those trying to manage insulin resistance naturally. The fifth health benefit of Guyabano leaves: lowers blood pressure. Compounds in the leaves can act as vasodilators, helping relax blood vessels and lower high blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. That's just half of the powerful benefits. And the best part, you can easily prepare Guyabano leaf tea at home. Keep watching to discover even more ways this leaf supports your overall wellness. The sixth health benefit of Guyabano leaves: promotes better sleep. Guyabano leaves have mild sedative properties, making the tea a traditional remedy to reduce stress, calm the nerves, and promote restful sleep. The seventh health benefit of guayabana leaves supports healthy digestion. They help relieve constipation, bloating, and indigestion. Thanks to their natural laxative effects and ability to soothe the stomach line. The eighth health benefit of guayabana leaves detoxifies the body. Guyabano leaves are detoxifying agents that help flush toxins from the liver and kidneys, supporting overall detox and cleansing. The ninth health benefit of Guyabano leaves aids in wound healing. Typically, applying guayabana leaf extract or decoction can help speed up wound healing thanks to their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The 10th health benefit of guayabana leaves fights bacteria and viruses. Studies suggest that guayabana leaves have antibacterial and antiviral effects that can help your body naturally fight off infections, including urinary tract infections or UTIs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Have you ever tried guayabana leaf tea? Share your experience below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for you to be updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel here is signing off.